Good morning, everyone. Right, let's start the revision. As all of you are saying, so I'm just making the diagram of an year. After that, we will revise the pollution chapter. Look here, what we will make first. Don't make too big, right? Like this, like this, like this. Okay, from here, like this, right? From this side, like this, right? Right? Okay. From here, you will draw like this. Second line from here, like this, means this is a knob, right? Is it clear? From here, 1, 2.5. Is it clear? Clear? Right? What is this? What is this? What is this? First of all, before everything, like ear has the three main: outer, outer ear, and is it? Then ear pinna, ear canal. Ear has three bones, right? Has, H A S. This is hammer, anvil. Stirrup is the smallest bone, right? Then this is, yes, semi circular canal. This is cochlea. This is auditory, right? This is anvil. This is the labeling for this. How it works? From here, the sound vibrations, like it will enter sound, right? Then it pass from ear canal, strike to the eardrum. Then the eardrum vibrates and vibration pass to the three canals, hammer, anvil, stirrup. Then these vibration pass into the cochlea. Cochlea has, what is the function of the cochlea? It has sensory hair. Small hair are present. It has sensory hair, but they will do auditory impulse to the nerve impulse, right? After that, then they send to the message to the brain decode these, and then we are able to hear it. Is it clear? Is this diagram is okay? Any other diagram you want? Okay, plant cell, animal cell, all done. Hanji. PSEUDO PODIA. Done beta? चलिए Now we will revise the pollution chapter. Give me book, NCERT book. Right. Hanji, how many here in this chapter, as all of you are saying, that full form, matlab expanded form. So what are the terms here in this chapter? Here in this chapter, this is CNG, LPG. This is compressed. This is liquefied petroleum gas. Right? Another terms, SPM, that is suspended particulate matter. NMCG. What is National Mission? National Mission for Clean Ganga. National Mission for wait a while. Then WWF, Worldwide Fund for Nature. Worldwide Fund for, you can also write like the Worldwide Fund. Another terms, all of you also please note it down. GAP, what is GAP? Ganga Action Plan. Okay. WWTP, writing here WWTP, waste water treatment plant. Please all of you note it down. Now I am doing it for you. Note it down, bache. So that we are doing all the full forms of from all the chapters. CFC, what is CFC? Carbon. Note it down, then I will write. This is just we are doing practice. Suspended particulate matter. This is the best way. If we will revise these types of the things daily, so we can revise the chapters thoroughly. Right? May I erase this one? LPG and this one. Another you are saying LED, light emitting diode. In light emitting diode, which one is the positive wire? Longer wire is the positive and the shorter wire is the negative. Right. CFL. What is the full? Compact Is it okay, bete? Any other term? Pet. polyethylene terephthalate. Anyone please click the photograph of this so that we can put it over there in the group also. This is the terms from all the chapters. May I erase this one now? I'm just asking SPM, suspended particulate matter. Other term, which term we used? PET. Polyethylene भी कह सकते हैं, polyethylene also. Terephthalate. Phthalate. Any other term? We're done. Right, Vite? Most probably we discussed all the terms. ठीक है? Cell में ATP, that we will not do. Adenosine triphosphate. But I think that is not given. That is okay. Whatever is given in your NCERT, that you have to revise it thoroughly. So that's why I had written the terms. Is it clear? Right? Now, in pollution chapter, you can see the main things. What is the pollution? What is pollution? The contamination of natural resources like air, water by addition of the harmful substances due to the various human activities is called the air pollution. Right? What is the meaning of pollutant? The substances that causes pollution are called the pollutants. Example, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide. Right? Air pollution. What is air pollution? Same. Contamination of air with the harmful or unwanted substances. Harmful and unwanted substances near which contaminates, like air pollution, you can say natural as well as the human. Natural air pollutions like the come from the natural resources, like the eruption of the volcanoes and all that. And human forest fire, we can say human number of the things using the automobiles, factories, industries, emissions from all these causes the air pollution. What are the harmful effects of air pollution? Air pollution causes acid rain, right? Global warming. What is global warming? Wait a while, don't make noise. Who will explain this global warming? Yes, बहुत slowly so that everyone can. Wait, Diya, sit down, please. Now listen, what is the global warming? What is global warming? Yeah, if the question is this, that air pollution causes global warming, what do you mean by? What? Try to understand what I am saying. Carbon dioxide released by the burning of the fuels, carbon dioxide release hoti hai, is not a poisonous gas. The gas, listen, the gas that is released by the automobiles or the burning fuels, that is the carbon dioxide, which is not a poisonous. That is not a poisonous because we are also exhaling the carbon dioxide. But excessive use of these fossil fuels, when we are using excess of these fuels, increase the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Getting my point? Although burning of fuels, they release carbon dioxide, but this is not a poisonous, this will not harm you. But excessive use of these fossil fuels, they increase the concentration of the carbon dioxide in the environment, which leads to the greenhouse effect. जिसकी वजह से क्या होता है? Greenhouse effect. What does this mean? The process by which, listen to me, the process by which Earth's atmosphere trap the sun rays. The process by which Earth का जो atmosphere है, it traps traps the sun rays. Okay, because of presence of the gases like carbon dioxide and methane, CFCs, these are the greenhouse gases. These are present. These greenhouse gases जो हैं, मतलब जो greenhouse effect है, that is very important. As it is not present, if it is not present, then Earth atmosphere would be, you can say, cold to sustain life, because these gases will warm us, मतलब keep warm us. Okay, it gives warmth. But if these are not present, then it will become like the Earth's atmosphere, it will cold. That is, then life is not possible here. But increase in amount of the greenhouse gases. What are the greenhouse gases? Methane, carbon dioxide, CFC, right? These gases increase beyond the natural limit. These causes of major concern for us. This leads to the increase the average temperature and cause global warming. Is this clear? Is this point clear? When these leads to increase, जब ये बहुत increase हो जाती हैं, this leads to the global warming. So global warming is what is the global warming? Global warming is the rise in temperature का बढ़ना in the atmosphere या of the atmosphere of the earth due to increase of greenhouse gases, due to the increase of the greenhouse gases or greenhouse effects. That is called global warming. Getting my point or not? Getting my point or not? Earth's atmosphere, that is covered, like we are burning fuels, using number of the things, and carbon dioxide is releasing. This carbon dioxide moves upward in the atmosphere, right? Excessive use of these gases, use of these things increases the concentration of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide remain in the atmosphere. वहां से क्या आना है? UV मतलब sun rays से नीचे आना, they will not able to reach. Increase in the concentration of carbon dioxide gases and methane and CFC, it causes the global warming. Is it clear? Is it clear बेटे? What are the damaging of the global warming? Global warming क्या कर रही है? Polar caps melt. Ice जो है, polar ice, it starts melting, glaciers and all that they start. Climate पे effect है, ठीक है? Rainfall pattern change, climate change, rainfall pattern change because of the presence of these gases in the atmosphere. Is this point clear? Any doubt to anyone? Yes, Hiren bete. Now, what are the different methods to reduce air pollution? Use, yes. Hurry up, hurry up. Grow more and more trees. One Mahotsav. Use public transport. Carpool system. Okay, don't waste papers. Chimneys should be installed. Reuse, reduce, recycle paper and all that. CNG. Catalytic converters, alternative fuels, right? Then catalytic converter, no to crackers, polythene bags, okay? All these are the precautions by which we can reduce the air pollution. One Mahotsav, what is the meaning of the One Mahotsav? Number of the trees are planted every year in the month of July. Any other point? Make compost with the dry leaves. That is also rather than to burn the dry leaves, we can make compost. So what is water pollution? Now the next topic is water pollution. Again, the contamination of the water with the harmful unwanted substances like domestic sewage, industrial waste, harmful effect on both living as well as the non-living. Living and non-living objects. So water pollution, वही unwanted. What are the causes of the water pollution? Industrial sewage, domestic sewage, human activities, agricultural waste, oil spills, right? What are the harmful effects of the water pollution? Eutrophication, diseases on human health. One term might used, biological magnification. What is the meaning of biological magnification? The increase in the concentration of harmful chemicals in the pesticides, like harmful chemicals like pesticides in the body of the living organism. Means जब उन्होंने खाया पौधों के बाद आगे 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 when we are using the pesticide and when we are eating plants, herbivores, then carnivores, and then come to, that means all the time the concentration is increasing. Okay, that is called the biological magnification. Aquatic life. What are the different methods to prevent water pollution? WWTP, domestic, dead bodies should not be thrown in the water bodies. What is potable water? Water which is suitable for drinking, that is called potable water. Right. What is Ganga Action Plan? By which government, like which you can say WWF जो है, that is World Wide Fund for Nature, found that Ganga is one of the most endangered rivers in the world, right? Ganga Action Plan, after that they worked on it. What is GAP? Ganga Action Plan. ठीक है, मतलब ambitious plans the government had started. ठीक है, that is the Ganga Action Plan in 1985. What is the aim for this GAP? To revise or to reduce the pollution level, but increasing pollution, industrial damage in the river beyond the repair. ठीक है, so new plan, new initiative, that is the NMCG, National Mission for Clean Ganga, in 2016. And after that, now the Ganga is pure. Is it clear, bache? This is what all about this chapter. Anything you want, then tell me.